Hi guys, today we are going to learn about React, creating and hosting a full stack site. So first we will see how to set up a React project, and then we will create the home page and we will add React router to an applications, and then we will see the React router links, and we will see the URL parameters with React router, and how we create and link articles list, and we will create the 404 page in React, and we will add some styles. So for that, let's create the project first. Create white at 5.5. So already I have written here in terminal. So terminal npm create white at 5.5, and then it will come options, which one you want to choose. So I have choosed here framework React, and then after that I have choose the variant JavaScript, and then you can go to the cd folder name project folder. I have given the white project folder name, and then you can write the npm install, and then you can run the npm run dev. So here it will start working, and after that you will see we are going to modify some code. So you can see here, so first of all the main.jsx is the main code here, and this will render the app.jsx. When you run these folders, run these programs, then it starts from the main file main.jsx, and it will render the app.jsx here. And app.jsx, when we open, so here you can like a home page, dot pages home, about, if you want to give the other pages. So I have made the source folder, and in that I have made a folder pages, and I have given the 4 pages about, article list and home. So here you can import the create browsers router, router provider. It will provide the router features, and you can give the constant routes is equal to bracket, big bracket, and curly bracket, and then path drive back forward slash, and element you can write you can direct to the home, and then you can give the other path about then about pages and article. Then you can element you can write about the article pages, and I have given article individual path. Then you can show the article list, and we have created the variables router, create browser routes, so that this routes variables, it can make the all the routes. For that I have given router, and function app, as soon as they call, it could return the router provider, router is equal to router. So these routers it will call, and this will call go to the routes, and it will show all the routes. So this is how you have to write the app.jsx file. An individual file like home.jsx, you can just write export default functions home, and you can return the this is home page. And same for about page and article page, article list page. And after you do, then you can do control C for the if a program is running, and then you can write on npm run dev, and you can run the programs, and it will show you the browser's link, and you click the link, follow link. You can see the home page when we wrote localhost 5173, and then after that you can see the article list page, about page. Here is 404 not found, because about page we didn't write. Now you can see the about, and what else it was, article list. So let's write article, then it will show the article page. And here is article page and article list page. It was in individual, so now see, you can see article list page. So this is how we have to do. And next time I am going to write the Node.js